So once you donate blood, we are just giving 350 ml. So that replenish the body within 24 to 48 hours. There is no harm. And it's a good thing that with one donation, it saves 3 to 4 lives.
It's a priceless gift which we can give to the society and to the individuals. And it's a matter of pride for the entire team that we can be the reason for someone's existence.
To celebrate 75 years and independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So this was initiative taken by the staff and team who came to that they will organize this blood donation. I appreciate their efforts, and also I am happy that most of my staff has contributed to this cause. Every year, yeah, we are planning to celebrate this every year on this same approximately this month of Independence Day, August. It's coming a lot of at least our staff have entire staff has contributed to this cause, and some of friends, family members of the staff has also participated.
So you have donated a blood?
I have also donated. Yeah, no, I donate every year in the main office, Dempo House.